In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. To get started, open Google Chrome and use a separate browser tab to sign in to your Godaddy domain account dashboard. Using a separate tab makes the process smoother because you'll be moving back and forth between Godaddy and Squarespace in just a moment. Once you're logged in, head to the area where your domain settings are managed. This is usually the registry or domain control panel where you can view the main options connected to your domain. When you're inside the domain settings, look for the domain lock section. Domain lock is a security feature that helps prevent unauthorized transfers. So before moving your domain, you'll need to turn that setting off. Find the domain lock switch and change it to off. If Godaddy asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. This step is essential because your transfer request won't work while the lock is still enabled. Next, stay in Godaddy and locate the option to get your authorization code, also called the EPP code. This code acts like a transfer key that proves you have permission to move the domain. Click the option to retrieve the code, then copy it carefully. It's important to copy the full code exactly as shown, since even a small mistake can cause the verification to fail later. Now switch over to your Squarespace Domains dashboard in the other tab. Once you're there, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells Squarespace that you already have a domain registered somewhere else and want to bring it in. Type your domain name into the provided field, then click Transfer In to continue. Squarespace will then ask for the authentication code from your current registrar. Paste the Godaddy authorization code you copied earlier into the verification field. Double check that it has been pasted correctly with no missing or extra characters because this is one of the most important parts of the transfer. After that, review the billing and checkout details shown on the screen. Read through the transfer terms and confirm that everything looks correct, including the domain information and payment details if required. Once you're ready, click Submit Transfer Request. At that point, your request will be sent for processing. Domain transfers can take some time, so don't worry if it isn't instant. As long as each step was completed correctly, your transfer should now be underway.